This is Hardik from Bids and Finance. This is the weekly analysis of the market from 18th of December 20 to 22nd of December. This analysis is mostly on the basis of technical and numerical data, which are already there in the market. Some technical terms are also there, but then the thing is that most of the videos in the YouTube are already available so that you can know about that technical terms. Directly, indirectly, I will be also giving you a kind of a hint that what that technical term is all about if it becomes too much clinical in nature. As far as this report is concerned, respecting each and every report which are available in market, it is one of the common report. It is nothing like this is very exclusive report or something good will happen or you will be able to means super perform the market and all. It is nothing like that. It is just for a sake of educational purpose. And secondly, it will also give you a kind of a hint that what are the parameters which you should look for while analyzing the market. So here I have stated some of the pivot point levels. These are the kind of levels which are actually been used by the floor traders, and it is also applicable right now means, and these are the kind of points which are having some kind of an importance, and these are the resistance and the support points which the market really respects. uh, Pivot points are been given for weekly as well as for the daily basis. Sorry, weekly basis is only given for this time. RSI is also been analyzed for weekly as well as for daily. Then there is a PCR ratio. Means PCR means put call ratio. Then option chain is been analyzed. On the basis of it, we are going to find out that what are the critical points from where buying or selling can drive the market in that case, right? So there will be simplifying a kind of an interpretation will be there as far as how the market or which kind of a language market is speaking. Then there are some of the important points, or sorry, important events will be there. It is mostly of international level. Slowly and steadily, I will also improve the level of the video which I am making. Whatever is available right now with me, and available in a sense that the not only I'm not talking about the resources, I'm talking about the time which I have. So this is the report. Uh, Let us proceed. Yeah, hi. As I told you that these are the weekly pivot points which are stated here. You can see this was a high the of the week, previous week. Sorry, it was an open of the week, and then we have a high and then low and then close. On the basis of all these three data, the pivot point, support, and resistance has been actually sorted out or been found out. So as you can see, this is a pivot point. Pivot point is a main juncture point wherein if the market is remaining above it, we can interpret that market will be there in a bullish zone. As far as interpretation of this pivot points are also is also means some of the point related with the market is also concerned. Open was 20965, right? And high was 21492, and the close is really very nearby high point, right? So we can expect the market will remain bullish. Although uh, I will tell this point later on, means whenever we will be interpreting option chain, I will tell you what is the nitty-gritty behind it. So these are the support points wherein market can stay for near term. If it wants it, if it is falling, then it may fall up to this levels. If the market is moving up, these are the resistance point, and above it is not been expected to move for a week. As far as RSI is concerned, RSI is having two main critical points. One is 70 and another one is 30. So if the market is moving above 70, that means it is overbought. And if the market is, sorry, not market, RSI is moving above 70, that it is an overbought zone. As far as if it is moving below 30, it is known as oversold, right? So as you can see, weekly as well as daily, both are above 70, right? So we can infer that market will remain bullish. There are two kind of a theories which are which are there in the market. If the RSI is overall above 70, it has a two interpretation. First of all, it may correct. Market may correct. This is the first interpretation. Second interpretation is that as the market is actually moving up, it is uh, gauging strength and strength as if moving, it is moving up. So strength is increasing. So relatively, if the strength is moving in a positive direction, so we may not expect some kind of a correction, right? But then there is one important issue here. Whenever weekly RSI is moving above 70, it it suggests you two things. Either there is a bullish kind of interpretation of the market for a long medium term, right? This is the first thing. Secondly, it may correct uh, steeply within a day or two, right? So these are two interpretations which I have made from my experience. As far as PCR is concerned, this is put call ratio. Put call ratio is actually telling you about, means like if the put call ratio is above 1, right, it is considered as bullish, and if the PCR ratio is below 1, obviously it will be considered as bearish. If you can see monthly expiry of Nifty, it is the ratio is 1.4, weekly it is 1.45. For as far as bank Nifty is concerned, monthly is 1.11, and for weekly expiry it is 1.13. Overall, the bank Nifty is looking much more negative, right, as compared with Nifty. So it is not negative in a sense. The if negative point is there, if it is negative in any case, then the ratio should actually show you the figure below 1. It is not negative. But when the market is moving down, with in comparison with Nifty, bank Nifty may fall much more steeper. That is what the interpretation I can make. Now there is interpretation of the option chain which we will be following next. So option chain is like most of the traders are watching option chain where the OI is been built. OI means open interest. Now going into much more detail related with what is open interest and all, let us interpret what it actually means. So high OI been built up in a call side. C means call side. Call means you will be doing. You are there in a bullish side. P means put side, right? So somehow, uh, if the market is moving down somehow, some kind of factors or any of the factor may come in which may put pressure on the market, and if the market is moving down, first level wherein you should buy Nifty is 21,200, where there is a high open interest built in, right? So once it has been bought, you can buy it in the level of 21,180 odd level to 21,200, right? This level you buy, then the market may move up. See to it that you are maintaining stop loss. Without stop loss, don't trade. The second highest built up, OI built up in put side is 1,01,698, and the level is 21,000. So it is actually not expected to break this level. So if market is coming nearby this level, just buy the Nifty. You will have an handsome profit. Okay. As far as call side is concerned, call side will always be giving you an idea related to the resistance. So as if now, resistance is been already built up at the level of 21,500. So 21,456 is a kind of a level wherein right now it is going on. So the high kind of OI built up is there in 21,500. If some very positive news related with the market is not coming, market may means Nifty may hover around this level and then it may move down a bit. Okay, but see to it that whenever Nifty is moving down, you are having two important levels, 21,200 and 21,000, where you will be buying the Nifty. As far as resistance level is concerned, the another resistance level according to the OI built up is 22,000, right? Market is not expected to touch this within a week. It is not been expected because most of the OI is been built here, right? And if by chance you are getting one chance that market is coming in this level somehow, so you can buy put, right? And you can have a good kind of a profit there. In any case, whether you are taking call or put, see to it that you are maintaining stop loss in between. Means stop loss should be in the ratio of, say for example, it should be, means it depends on, I will be taking another kind of video so that I can tell you that what should be the stop loss. It will take much more time. So next is a kind of event kind of slide is there. Let us interpret about it. So as we already went through two things. One is Nifty and Bank Nifty OI built up, not OI built up, Nifty OI built up and Bank Nifty and Nifty PCR ratio. So PCR ratio of Bank Nifty, as I told you, that uh, it is bearish as compared with the Nifty. It is not bearish in numbers, but it is bearish as compared with the Nifty. So why? So there are two, three things which are coming in the next week. It will actually have a good kind of impact in the market, and there are two very important events which are going to occur. One is the CPI, that is Consumer Price Index. Index means inflation. That will also come, and there is unemployment claims which are related with the which this data are related with US. They both will have a good kind of impact in their own particular market, US and UK. And as you already know, each and every market is actually connected with each other. Okay, in this century, each and every in this modern century, each and every financial market is connected with each other. So this will also going to impact uh, India. So if the data are coming negative, obviously it will be having negative impact, but that doesn't mean that market will will become bearish. It is still bullish, but at the same time, we will be seeing this data, because it may happen that you are buying something. If you are planning to buy some stocks and suddenly the market is going down, buying and means market going up and down, it will happen in the market, but at the same time you should know why it got corrected. So this may be some of the events because of which market may get correct. There are some kind of a monetary policy statements which will be coming from Japan as well as Australia, so it will actually have an impact in the market. Then these are the stocks to watch. Means I have just put it because nothing else was actually there with me wherein I can tell you buy this stock. so nothing was there. But you can still go through it. Have a kind of a look for this week. Honeywell, Whirlpool, delivery, and 197. You may see some of the bullish kind of, if the market is moving up, this stocks should move in much more better manner. Okay, thanks for listening me. I may bore you for a time being, but then overall, my only intention is that uh, you should get some of the important data related with the market for the next week. This is only the intention, nothing else. Secondly, just to give me an inspiration, whether you are subscribing or not, at least give me a thumbs up. I will be quite happy. I'll be making the video more and more intellectual. I will be also making some of the videos which will give you much more hint related with the week, how you can trade in a sense. But if the kind of welcoming poses which are not been given by you all, then the inspiration which I should get, it will be less. So please subscribe if possible. Thumbs up, like it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Good night. Jai Shri Krishna.